What do you got there, honey? Beer. That's my shandy. And the other one is beer. So, and then, yung nandoon, no, nakikita nyo, ayan yung gaming room sa photo machine. And doon, mamaya pupunta ako dyan. At kailangan namin magpahinga. Nasa pub lang, maliit lang na na place. Pero pwede ka kumain dito, uminom. Tapos ayun yung mga nasa countryside, ayun yung mga labas nila sa pagkain. Yung diyan ka mag-order. So maliit lang. Pero nakikita ko ang sasarap ng mga pagkain dito. Ayan, nag-order kami ng seafood platter. Pero nasisilip ko pa rin yung porka machine doon. Porka machine, ating silip porka machine.
No. Maybe tomorrow. If you're lucky.
I'm always lucky, honey, because I have a good
You're
husband.
never lucky. Never win.